everyone, welcome back. So today for What You Making Monday, I am going to be making a butternut squash soup in my Instant Pot, as well as an Irish soda bread with rosemary and cheddar, because we are getting into the cooler fall days. So I thought this would be a perfect time to show you some of my favorite soup recipes to make. I have made this recipe before and I was a little nervous to make it because my family is not a huge fan of like vegetables or anything like super healthy per se, so I wasn't sure how it was gonna go. But the last time I made it, everybody loved it and it was super flavorful. So I'm going to make it again. But first I need to do some prep work because there's actually bacon in this soup. And I also have to start the bread ahead of time because it does need to cool for about an hour before it is ready to eat. So the soda bread is in the oven And while that is cooking, I am going to start prepping the things that I need for the butternut squash soup. Last time I made it, I bought a butternut squash. It was a big pain to peel it and cut it and get all the seeds out and all of that. So I'm cutting a little bit of a corner here, and I bought the packaged butternut squash at Walmart. Comment below if you have any tips or tricks on how to cut a butternut squash so that it's not a big pain in the butt. But this is what I'm going to do. I bought 3 bags, so that should hopefully be enough. So I'm going to chop up all the veggies and get the bacon started. Okay, the soup is done. My house smells amazing. So it was overall a super easy recipe to make because you pretty much put everything into the Instant Pot and the Instant Pot does the work for you. The soda bread, also another easy recipe. You could add any other herbs that you like. The recipe called for parsley. I don't think it has really much taste, to be honest, so I added rosemary instead because I love rosemary. So it's great on its own with some butter. I'm actually going to dip it in the soup. Delicious, so creamy, so flavorful. Having the sage and the thyme in there is absolutely delicious. And hey, I cut some corners by not having to cut up a butternut squash, so call that a win in my book. Has bacon in it. Do you need to add the bacon? No. Does it taste delicious with the bacon? Absolutely. But to your discretion, you could also use vegetable stock instead of chicken stock if you are wanting to have it be vegetarian. So overall, a delicious, easy weeknight meal to make. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button if you are liking these recipe videos. I post new recipes every Monday. So comment below and let me know what you are having for dinner tonight. I'll see you next time.